At first glance, it looks very hard equation to solve. We have two cube roots in LHS, two cube roots in RHS. But if we will use one very interesting method of solving cube root equations using algebraic identities, then this entire equation collapses beautifully. Now I want you to pause the video right now and try this equation by yourself first. So let's get started by rewriting our RHS, which will be writing equal to cube root of. Let's take -1 common. So in other bracket, we will write 8 minus 4x minus x square. Then we have cube root 8, which we can write cube root 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. Now cube root and cube will get over. We will cancel. And we can write cube root of. We have -1. We can write -1 whole cube. Then we can write 8 minus 4x minus x square plus 2. Now we will split our radicand and write cube root of -1 whole cube times cube root of 8 minus 4x minus x square plus 2. Now cube root and cube will get over here. So we will write minus of cube root of 8 minus 4x minus x square plus 2. Now we'll take this negative term to LHS and we can write our equation cube root of x square minus 2x minus 8 plus cube root of 8 minus 4x minus x square plus cube root of 6x plus 8 will be equal to 2. Now we are going to use substitutions. Let's consider first cube root equal to a. Second cube root we will call b, and let us assume cube root of 6x plus 8 equal to c. Now we can write our first equation a plus b plus c. This must be equal to 2. This is our equation number 1. Now from our substitution equation, I can consider cubing both sides and write a cube value, which will be equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Similarly, from b substitution, I will cube both sides and write b cube value, which will be equal to minus x square minus 4x plus 8. And if I will cube c value, then we will get c cube, which is equal to 6x plus 8. Now we are going to add these three equations. After adding, we will get a cube plus b cube plus c cube in LHS. And in RHS, we will cancel these two, we will cancel these three, we will cancel these two. So only 8 will be there. And this equation we will call equation number 2. So we have one new system here. A plus b plus c is 2, our equation number 1. And a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 8, our equation number 2. So let me write here our first equation a plus b plus c equal to 2. And after cubing both sides, we will use one algebraic formula, which will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 times a plus b times b plus c times c plus a will be equal to 2 cube is 8. Now from our equation number 2, this is 8. So we can write 8 plus 3 times a plus b times b plus c times c plus a equal to 8. Now we'll subtract 8 from both the sides. So RHS will be 0. LHS will be 3 times a plus b times b plus c times c plus a equal to 0. Or we'll write a plus b times b plus c times c plus a equal to 0. Now we'll be using product 0 rule. So either a plus b will be equal to 0, or b plus c will be equal to 0, or c plus a will be equal to 0. Or I can write a equal to minus b equal to minus c equal to minus a. So we have to consider these three outcomes separately. Let me begin with a equal to minus b. After cubing both sides, I will get a cube will be equal to minus of b cube. Now if I will write a cube separately, then a cube is x square minus 2x minus 8. B cube is minus x square minus 4x plus 8. And c cube will be 6x plus 8. Let's put the values here. I will write x square minus 2x minus 8. This is a cube equal to minus of b cube minus x square minus 4x plus 8. So we can write x square minus 2x minus 8 will be equal to x square plus 4x minus 8. Now we will add 8 to both sides. We will subtract x square from both the sides. So there will be minus 2x in LHS, 4x in RHS. We will take all the terms to RHS and write 6x equal to 0. So from here we have our first real solution, x equal to 0. Now we will consider b equal to minus c. Now I will be cubing both sides and write b cube equal to minus of c cube. Or we can write c cube will be equal to minus of b cube. Here we have b cube, here we have c cube. So I can write 6x plus 8. After multiplying b cube by minus, I can write x square plus 4x minus 8. Now we will write here all the terms to RHS, x square minus 2x minus 8 minus 8 minus 16. So which I will write here in the RHS, so plus 16. Now I am using completing the square method, so I need to add 1 to both sides. Now LHS will give us x minus 1 whole square and RHS is 17. So from here I will take a square root both sides. I can write x minus 1 will be equal to plus minus square root 17. By adding 1 to both sides, we'll get two real roots, 1 plus minus square root 17. So we have three solutions in total, x equal to 0, x equal to 1 plus minus square root 17. Now our third condition, it is c equal to minus a. After cubing both sides, I can write c cube equal to minus of a cube. Let's put a cube and c cube value over here. We will get 6x plus 8 equal to, after multiplying by minus 1, we will get minus x square plus 2x plus 8. Now we will subtract 8 from both the sides. We'll take 2x to the LHS. So 4x plus x square equal to 0. So from here, I will take x common. In bracket, we'll write x plus 4 equal to 0. So we have x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 4. So in total, we have 4 real solutions. Here I will write x equal to 0, minus 4, 1 plus minus square root of 17. So in total, there are 4 real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.